Hey, what's up you guys? Jay Styles, all things styles. Welcome to another video. If you guys are new here, go and subscribe to the channel. Those who are returning, as always, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. It means the world to me. So for today's video, we got some Walakut Puff. Walakut Puff from Heat Transfer Warehouse. If you guys are interested, as always, there is a link in the description below. This Walakut Puff has been so hard to come by. It's been sold out. They finally got it back in stock, but this time around, they've got ample supply, so you guys won't miss out on yours. They've also got a few different colors to choose from. Now what's so cool about this Walakut Puff is that it does just that. Once it's pressed, it's going to puff, giving your garment a 3D effect. So this is going to press at 305 for 10 seconds. We'll get you in, give you guys a look. You guys can go and enjoy the rest of your day. One thing to note is that when you apply this, or when you cut this rather, you're going to reverse always. The shiny side will be up, the matte side will be down, which is different from the normal HTV. Once again, the matte side is down, the shiny side is up, and don't worry about the thickness. This can be cut on your regular heat transfer settings. Don't choose the glitter settings. Trust me, you're gonna eat through the vinyl. So once again, Walakut Puff, Heat Transfer Warehouse, 305, 10 seconds, and you guys can enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, so our press is set at 305, and we're gonna be pressing on this puffer jacket. Got our image. Just as long as it's in the middle. You know what? Let's use some heat tape just to be on the safe side because it is curling up. Alright, that's good. So once again, we got 10 seconds. It is at a medium pressure, and this is a hot peel. And you can see immediately that it is starting to raise up. And just for good measure, we'll do another item. As always, you want to give your garment a pre-press, a few seconds. We're gonna go about 4 fingers down from the collar. Once again, we've got 10 seconds, medium pressure. And I can see where it's starting to puff up. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. Once again, this has been Jay Styles. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and as always, you guys be kind, and I'll catch you on the next one.